Imagine a world where you can transform your waste into energy. Today, we introduce you to the concept of biogas. This innovative solution harnesses the power of organic waste, converting it into a renewable source of energy. Biogas, a byproduct of organic waste decomposition, serves as a versatile energy source with a myriad of benefits. It's not just about turning on your stove or lighting up your home. Biogas can replace or even supplement the use of LPG gas, helping you save money without compromising your lifestyle. But the perks don't stop there. From generating electricity to creating organic fertilizer, the value of biogas extends beyond energy production. And let's not forget its environmental impact. By recycling animal waste and other organic materials, biogas production helps reduce air pollution and opens up new opportunities for waste management. It's a win-win situation for your pocket and the planet. Now let's dive into how you can create your DIY biogas plant. Like any DIY project, the first step involves gathering all the necessary materials. For our biogas plant, we'll need a few key items. First up, we have the digester tank. This is where the magic happens, where organic waste is converted into biogas. It's essential to choose a sturdy material for your digester, given the nature of the process inside. Next, we need a gas holder. This piece will store the biogas produced in the digester, keeping it safe and ready for use whenever you need it. Now let's talk about pipes. We'll need inlet and outlet pipes for feeding the organic waste into the digester and for removing the residue. Of course, we can't forget the valves. These are crucial for controlling the flow of gas and ensuring everything is running smoothly and safely. The beauty of it all? Everything you need can be sourced locally. You don't need to travel far or spend a fortune to gather these materials. With these materials at hand, you're ready to start building your biogas plant. With materials in place, it's time to start building your DIY biogas plant. Let's get started, shall we? First things first, we're going to set up the digester. This digester is the heart of your biogas plant. It's where the magic happens. This is where your organic waste will be converted into biogas. So place it on a flat, sturdy surface, preferably somewhere that gets a good amount of sunlight. Next, we'll connect the pipes and valves. You might be wondering, why do we need pipes and valves? Well, these are what transport the biogas from the digester to your home. So you'll want to attach them securely to the digester. Make sure to double-check all connections to prevent any gas leaks. Once that's done, it's time to add the organic waste. This could be kitchen scraps, green waste, or even animal manure. You want to fill up the digester with this waste until it's about 3/4 full. Remember, the more waste you add, the more gas you generate. After adding the waste, you'll need to seal the plant. This is crucial as it prevents the escape of the biogas. So make sure to seal it tightly and check for any potential leaks. And voila, you've just built your own DIY biogas plant. It may seem like a lot at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's as easy as pie. And the best part? You're not only saving money on your energy bills, but you're also helping to reduce air pollution and waste. Congratulations! You now have your very own DIY biogas plant. Great job on building your biogas plant, but how do you maintain it? Let's dive right in. Maintaining your biogas plant is just as important as the initial setup. After all, you want to ensure it continues to operate efficiently and safely. The first step in maintenance is the regular addition of organic waste. This can be kitchen scraps, garden waste, or animal manure. The microorganisms in the plant thrive on this organic matter, breaking it down to produce biogas. Now, it's crucial to keep the balance. Too much waste can overload the system, while too little can starve the microorganisms. So aim for a consistent supply of waste. This not only maintains the production of biogas, but also contributes to a circular economy by recycling waste into energy. Next, regularly check your plant for any leaks. Leaks can lead to a loss of biogas and may pose safety hazards. So inspect the plant, the pipes, and the storage area. If you detect a leak, it's important to fix it promptly. Remember, safety first. Handling biogas requires caution. It's a flammable gas and can cause harm if not managed properly. Always ensure adequate ventilation when working with the plant and avoid open flames near the system. And of course, if you smell gas, take immediate action. Lastly, keep an eye on the overall health of the system. Notice any changes in gas production or the quality of the waste residue. These could be signs that the system needs attention. And there you have it, a simple guide to creating and maintaining your DIY biogas plant. Would you like Leadway Media Channel to recommend useful resources with super cheaper prices selling on www.stakecut.com? Let us know in the comments below.